Hey guys, it's Nico Fry Games here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done a YouTube video in about a month. I've been a little lazy because, I don't know, I've just been lazy, but it's been a while since I've done a Microsoft Flight Simulator aircraft review. And today we're going to be reviewing the classic Russian transport helicopter. It is the Mi-8/17. You can find it in the simmarket store online. It might come to the Microsoft Flight Simulator store pretty soon. I don't know the time frame of when they get that approved, but I saw that this had recently come out, so I want to get a video out on it right now. But first impressions on the outside, it looks really, really, really solid. It's a good classic Russian-looking type of helicopter. And there's a couple of liveries when you buy this helicopter. It has the Slovakian livery, United Nations livery, the Czech Czech livery. It also has a Ukrainian livery, a Russian Air Force livery. Then there's also the Russian police helicopter. Then there's the Russian rescue helicopter as well. What other liveries are there? Oh, there's the Hungarian livery. There's the Mexican police livery. And I'm forgetting the rest of them. Oh, the United Nations livery and the Indian Air Force livery. I might be forgetting a few of them, but those are pretty much the main bulk of the liveries of the helicopter. And as you can see, we have I think this is a technician, the cargo guy. As you can see, his seat is right there. I don't know why it's attached to the back of the plane, but they got to be careful whether those are opening up or not. Then you got our co-pilots. We got the mirrors. We got the stand. We got the landing gear light. Then we got our landing lights right here. So far, looks really, really cool. Not a study level, but just a cool little military aircraft to fly around in. Let's take a look at the cockpit. As you can see, everything is in English right now at the moment. But if you ever fly any of the Ukrainian or Russian variants, it is actually in Russian. So good luck reading that. But I think it's a lot easier to see it in English. As you can see, not all the buttons work, but the bare minimum buttons work. Oh, and you can actually open and close the windows. That's actually pretty cool. And for some reason, our pilot is, or our co-pilot is pointing his finger at whatever thing he wants us to press, but okay. Close the windows. You can actually extend and retract those landing lights like I showed you. That's really cool. We'll keep them on for now. We got our basic the altimeter, then we got the attitude indicator. I think this is our engine temperature gauges right here. Radio compass, our slip coordinator, VSI, and our altimeter right here. Another altitude in meters, and then we have a second altitude right here in feet, I think. Airspeed, main rotor, engines. Oh, these are the revolutions. Okay. Pitch in degrees. Alright, alright, that's cool. Static pressure, we can't mess with that. We can actually turn these on or off if we want. Oh, our rotors are still spinning. And now our rotor brake is on, so they should not be moving right now. We will turn them off when we turn the engines on. As you can see, we have our hydraulic systems, our main one, and we also got a backup one right here. That's pretty cool. Here's our engine engine starters right here. That's pretty cool. We can have engines left and right. We can turn off onto a crank or off. Ignition test. We can't press that. We can abort the engine in case there's anything wrong with the engine. Do not start engines until auto controller is off. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Auto engine start. There's a APU crank on, so we can start the APUs. That's pretty cool. Engine control switch to cut. Here's our fuel pumps right here. Here's our combustion heaters right here, so we can stay warm if it's really, really cold outside. Then we got our all of our fuses, which is really cool. You can actually press all these if you want. Then we got guns, gun camera. We can actually have fire rockets, so we can actually put on weapons if we want, which is really cool. Here we go. We got the master rocket switch on or off. Jettison weapons armed on and off. For a continuous lamp test. Anti-icing system. Here's our anti-icing system right here. I feel like these should work. You should be able to turn these on or off, but too bad. Then we got another weapons thing right here. Then what else? We got our ADF selector right here. We got I think this is all of our electrical components right here. Most of them. Or our comms. Start reset, we can't press any of these. Emergency mode, we can't press any of these. Right here, here's all of our lights right here, light switches. Here's the red lights right here. I feel like these should work as well. Hopefully they come up with an update where we can press more buttons and weapons. That'll be pretty cool. And what else? Oh yeah, we got our rectifier switches right here. Then we got our external power. Then we got our APU generator switch, and then our battery switches right here. So that's really cool. But if we go in the back, I'm going to show you guys something really, really cool. Also, there's actually a third guy you can have. If you close this, there's a third guide you can have. All right. And now, as you can see, we have an extra fuel tank right here. We can actually get rid of that right here. We can get rid of the extra fuel tank. So we have more space. Then you can add or remove all the seats. See, we have more seats. You can remove them from all sides. So that's awesome. Then you can add, let's add a water tank, cargo. We can have a water tank. So if we want to drop it off anywhere to people that need it, that would be awesome. And then we got animal cargo. We got an actual bear. Um, okay. Just in case we need to, if someone needs a bear, maybe a zoo or somewhere, we can transfer it. Then we can have electrical generators in here as well to people who need it. Then we can add a Volkswagen Beetle, the old classic ones, which are pretty cool. I actually like this idea, which is really nice. And what else do we got? Oh, we can get rid of that. We can close and open the side doors. We can close that. Then we can close the clamshell doors in the back. And the coolest thing, we can actually remove those doors in the back if we want to, which is really, really interesting. Then we can also add heat dissipators. As you can see, we don't have them on right now. But if you want to add them, we can add heat dissipators on the sides, which is really a really cool add-on for this helicopter right here. I personally like the heat dissipators on them. It makes it look cool. Then we can add a hoist and a winch. Now, personally, I don't know exactly where it's at. It's probably on the bottom, but I do not see it, so... Oh, wait. There it is. There it is. There's the winch. It's there on the side, right there. I'm pretty sure that's it. Let's remove that. Yeah, there it is. Okay. There it is. We can add a hoist and a winch. That's pretty cool. Actually, that looks pretty sick. That looks pretty sick. Then we can add searchlight. I don't think we can have a... Oh, there we go. There's the searchlight. There it is. The big old searchlight on the side. See if we can get rid of that. Okay, so just the light isn't working. Okay, but we can still add a searchlight if we want. Then we can add a radome to the nose. If we want to have actual radar on the helicopter, which I like. Oh, put that back on. Then we can add dust protection on these inlets right here to the engines. As you can see, we added those as well. You can also see these on the Mi-24 Hind, which is really, really cool. I hope they come out with more helicopters like this. That would be pretty cool. Then we can add crew protection, which is pretty much slabs of steel on the side to protect us from getting our legs cut off. But it doesn't matter if you're getting shot from the front, so I think it's kind of useless, but I don't like it. We can add shaft and flares. I don't know if they actually work or not, but we can add them as well to the side. Then we can also add in pylons to the side. And the best part, weapons. See, we have 4 rocket pods and 2, I think those are 20 or 30 millimeter cannon guns on each side. So, just like the Black Hawk helicopter, you can add additional armaments just in case you want to absolutely destroy the enemy, which looks awesome. So, for now, since we've gone over everything, which everything looks absolutely fantastic. I like it. This aircraft is really, really, really cool. So let us start up the helicopter. It might be a little bit loud, so if you don't hear me, that's too bad. So let's start this bad boy up. Now just listen to it, Oh, we gotta turn this off. There we go. Now just listen to it start up. Yo, this helicopter sounds absolutely amazing. I don't know about you guys, but that's just my opinion. Alright. Let's give this helicopter a spin. Yeah, taking off. Oh. Here we go. We are currently flying in Hawaii at the moment. It's very cloudy. As you can see, it's a little hard to control. It's a little rough on the controls, but as long as you master it, you'll be pretty fine. There we go. Perfect. Let's go over there and do a tactical landing over there, or over here. And then I'll go over the my basic overview of this helicopter, but it is a great add-on if you want if you like Russian helicopters or Cold War relics. Go. We're going to a slow, going to a stop. All right. Now, a quick overview of this helicopter. Pros and cons. The only con is that's pretty much most of the buttons don't work, but for the basic buttons that you need, it's got them, and it's a little bit hard to control, especially when you throttle up. It jerks the helicopter back, but you just got to be light on the throttle. But other than that, it's pretty good. Great detail. You can either have it in Russian or English, depending which livery you want. You can add cargo, different types of attachments. You can pretty much have upgrades on it if you want. Radome, armor, gun pods, rocket pods. You can open and close the cargo doors. Different types of cargo, lights. It's just a really good add-on. I think it's about $20 on the Sim Marketplace. It's got good liveries. Leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about the Mi-8s and Mi-17 helicopter. See you on the next one. Goodbye.